The 2026 national budget is now being prepared for ratification after the BICAM approved it after almost 9 hours of discussions from last night. But as early as now, some lawmakers are saying they're voting no to the budget as some questions linger. Mobile journalist Arles de los Santos with this report.
The budget of the Department of Public Works and Highways is duly approved. Ay, salamat.
A sigh of relief from Senate Finance Committee Chair Win Gatchalian after the BICAM finally approved next year's spending fund of the Department of Public Works and Highways. Recall that DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon himself went to the first BICAM meeting at the PICC to appeal for the restoration of 45 billion pesos earlier cut from their budget. An unprecedented gesture since during the BICAM, members of the executive are not usually allowed in. Lawmakers did give in later on but did not restore the whole slash amount for DPWH. Only 20.7 billion pesos was cut from the coffers of the agency central to the flood control scandal.
So ito po yung savings na nakuha ho natin from the reduction of overpriced materials. So naging mas near actual, no? Hindi pa siya actual but near actual na po yung cost nila at in-apply ho namin yan to all 20,000 projects.
Of the supposed 20.7 billion peso savings, 16 billion pesos is reallocated to PhilHealth and 4 billion pesos to the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Fund. Nevertheless, the DPWH is still getting a whopping 529.6 billion pesos in 2026.
Bumaba yan ng 40%. Yung budget na yan ay mapupunta lahat sa mga kababayan natin para sa mga tamang project na makakatulong sa kanila.
A little past 2 in the morning on Thursday, December 18, the BICAM finally wrapped up discussions. The chairpersons of the Senate and House contingents say this is a corruption-free appropriations bill.
Ako ay kampante na itong budget na ito ay tunay na tutugon sa mga pangangailangan po ng ating mga kababayan. At ang higit sa lahat, itong budget na ito ay corruption-free.
Ito ang pinakaunang live stream ng Bicameral Conference Committee proceedings. Isa po itong budget na mapagkakatiwalaan ng bawat Pilipino.
However, concerns remain for Makabayang Black, saying they still see a budget heavily laden with pork.
Ang sistema ng mga alokasyon sa mga kongresista at maging sa mga senador ay nandyan pa rin, no? Both para sa infrastructure at para sa ayuda. No? So, ang mga kababayan natin nagagalit na sa sistema na yung medical services, yung social welfare services, kailangang idaan pa sa politiko. No? Dapat i-abolish na ito and instead, pondohan talaga ng sapat ang ating health system, ang ating social welfare services, at iba pa. Nananatili pa rin yung unprogrammed appropriations, di ba? Ayaw tanggalin.
Akbayan Party List Congressman Percy Sendanya also sounded the alarm on unprogrammed appropriations, as well as the 8 billion peso allocation for NTF-ELCAC, which, aside from red tagging, Sendanya claims is also fond of patronage politics.
Parang maaga yata ang bigayan ng Christmas ham kahit next week pa ang Pasko. Yung inaasahan natin ng mga problematic items na sana ay tatanggalin, i-cure, babawasan o tatapyasan pagdating ng bicameral conference, aba either napalampas o nadagdagan pa.
For his part, Akbayan Congressman Chel Jokno calls for full disclosure, saying that while the BICAM was live-streamed, the process of adjustments was not. He reiterated the Blac's call for greater transparency and meaningful public participation. At this point, some House members say they are not voting yes to the budget's ratification on December 29. After this, the budget is off for President Marcos's signature. The chief executive has the power to veto the spending bill's provision. Kapatid Arles de los Santos, we are One News.